How to log in to HarborOne Mortgage Account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in HarborOne Mortgage Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, harborone.com. Open it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Getting access to your online banking account, you can easily get access to the mortgage section. So click on the option of online banking login or enroll now. Once you're on the login page, all you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the user ID, then type in the password. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Remember Me. In the case you have forgotten the password or the username, you can click on these options given at the bottom and recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Login, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into HarborOne Mortgage Account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.